Hi, I'm Sunny with HealthyFastFoodStore.com, and today I'm sharing my top 5 uses for Sunbreeze Essential Oil. So this is the Sunbreeze Essential Oil. It comes in this little bottle like this, and it's from Sunrider International, and it is an essential oil for natural pain relief, and we use it for a lot of other uses too. I call it my 911 oil. So it's kind of like what I keep in my first aid kit. Number 1, let's start with. So my top way to use Sunbreeze Essential Oil is for muscle aches and pains. I'm a massage therapist, so I have a lot of clients who complain about sore neck and shoulder muscles, or maybe their knee hurts, their back. So whatever is hurting, I just tell them to apply the Sunbreeze Essential Oil to the area that is achy, and you're going to feel like a cooling or a warmth, and then that is going to help encourage circulation and healing to that area. So let's move on to number 2. So another way to use it is for headaches. So all you do to soothe those headaches is you just put a little bit on your temples and your forehead, and it is going to be very soothing. Again, you're going to feel that warmth or that cooling sensation, and I always reach for this before anything else for a headache. Number 3, nausea and car sickness. So my youngest gets very car sick. Anytime we go in a car, she's always getting car sick. So what I started doing is I bought this little roller bottle from Amazon, and I fill it with Sunbreeze oil, because that way she won't spill it in the car. And then this is hers that she keeps with her on road trips or just around town, and you just put on a little dab on your tongue, and you're gonna really feel the Chinese cinnamon start to work to help. It really helps with nausea and car sickness. So number 4, my number 4 way to use Sunbreeze oil is for allergies and like sinus congestion. If you have a cold too, just a little dab under your sinuses goes a long way, and it will do wonders to help clear sinuses. Another thing you can do, which I do, is I put just again a dab on the palm of your hands, rub your hands together, and you want to keep your hands away from your eyes, but cup your hands over your nose and take a few deep breaths to clear up sinus congestion. So you're gonna really notice how much that helps with allergies. So I keep this nearby all the time during allergy season. And my 5th way to use Sunbreeze oil is for stress relief. So a lot of times when I'm winding down for the night, if I wanna relax and just have some stress relief, what I like to do is put a dab on my chest, and then a dab again on my forehead and temples, and then just a little bit under my nose. And just breathe and feel that work to help balance your mind and your body. And then you can even add a little bit on your shoulders for like a little massage before you go to bed. I call it like a little massage in a bottle. So this is the way I use Sunbreeze oil for stress relief every night. So those are my top 5 ways to use your bottle of Sunbreeze Essential Oil. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you're looking to order Sunrider products or Sunbreeze Essential Oil, you can click on the link in the description box below. My online store is HealthyFastFoodStore.com.